Welcome to the oiios Quanta assembly video. This video will guide you through the step-by-step unboxing and assembly process. Check the bike's model and color, record the serial number and take a photo. Unpack carefully and follow the warnings to avoid any damage. After removing all packaging, you will find all the necessary parts inside. Let us start with the handlebar. Start by using a 4mm hex bit to remove the stem faceplate and hardware. And keep it. Make sure the front fork stays facing forward. The cables are in front, and the brake lever faces forward. Place the handlebar onto the head tube. Then reinstall the stem faceplate using the same hex bit. Adjust the handlebar angle to your preference before tightening. Next, adjust the display angle to your liking and tighten it using a 2.5mm hex bit. Now, let us install the front wheel. Remove the axle protector and axle from the front wheel. Remove a spring and the nut from the axle. Insert the axle from the disc brake rotor side through the center of the tire. Then, reinstall the spring and nut. Don't tighten yet. Remove the front suspension protector using a 14mm socket. Make sure the front suspension is facing forward and the brake pads are on the left. Then take off the disc brake rotor protector. Align the front wheel with the fork dropouts and carefully slide the disc rotor between the brake pads as you insert the wheel. Ensure that the wheel axle is level and parallel to the ground, and that the wheel is centered within the fork. Next, tighten the nut. If the quick release closes too easily, it's too loose. If it won't close, it is too tight. It should take firm pressure and leave a small mark on your hand. The lever should not touch or point at the front suspension. Keep it angled slightly upward. Now tuck the lever into the cam curve and press it inward to lock it. Next, let us install the fender. Remove the screw from the fork arch. It will be used to attach the fork, headlamp, and fender. No need to tighten it yet. Slightly lift the fender to leave a small gap between it and the tire. Then fully tighten the fender using a 5mm Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. Adjust the headlamp position if needed. Loosen the dropout screws on both sides with a 5mm Allen wrench and keep them. Then, use the same screws to attach and secure the fender. That completes the front wheel installation. Install the pedals next. Identify the left and right pedals based on the markings. Attach each pedal to its corresponding crank arm. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise. Then secure it with a wrench. Tighten the right pedal clockwise. Then secure it with a wrench. Next, let us install the seat. Loosen the seat post clamp and adjust the height to your preference. Make sure the slot on the seat post clamp is aligned with the opening on the frame. Position the lever into the cam curve and press to lock. Final check. If the brake lever touches the grip, it's too loose. Use the 2mm Allen key to tighten the cable. Adjust until there is a to-finger gap at full squeeze. oiios straps to secure the bike frame and battery. Attach the axle nut covers to the rear wheel axle. Pump both tires to the recommended pressure, between 25 and 30 psi. Finally, check and tighten all screws securely. Make sure they meet the recommended torque values. Power on and make sure it is connected.